Hi everyone, today I am going to discuss a very interesting topic which is the class 10 topic named AP or arithmetic progression. So what is the meaning of arithmetic progression and what do you mean by the progression and how to solve the question of this? All I am going to teach you in this video. So let's remain in this video and without wasting our time start this video. So first of all, the meaning AP means arithmetic progression. So what is the meaning of arithmetic progression? For this you have to understand the meaning of the sequence. So let's suppose I have written a number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So what is the next number? If you are able to tell what will be the next number after the 10th, then it is the sequence. As you could see that here the 2 gap here in all the numbers, so here will be a 12, so that it is the sequence. Let's suppose another number which is 1 2 3 4 5 and dot dot dot, then you are also able to say that next number is going to be 6 because it is the set of natural number. So it is the sequence. And let's suppose another sequence. Let's suppose another example 0 5 10 0 2 5. So in this case you are not able to tell what will be the next number, so it is not a sequence. It is not a sequence. And so this is the two sequences as we get now. So the first of all, for the condition to remain a AP, that you must have to get a sequence. It cannot be a AP. It could be AP, it could be AP, but it is not exactly now when it is the AP. We have to apply some other condition to be a AP. So the right meaning of the AP, it should be a sequence in which a particular number is added or subtracted to get the next number. In this you are able to see that a particular number which is the 2 is added and you are getting the next number. But in this also a particular number is added 1 1 1. So these both are the GP because a particular number is added or subtracted. So this is called the GP. And let's another example of the GP. Let's suppose if you will get a set of natural number, a set of whole number 1 2 3 4 next to it, but it is the sequence because the next number you could tell, but it is not a AP because when you will, and it is a AP also because when you will add 1 into this you will get this one, this one, this one. So like this I think you understand the meaning of AP. So someone asks you what is the meaning of progression. Progression means if we have the formula of nth term, that means finding the terms, then it is called the progression. So let's solve some question and how to apply the AP in the mathematics. So let's suppose a sequence which is the AP 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12 and next to the infinity. This is a symbol of infinity. So this one term which is the AP is called the A1 first term, this is called the A2 and this is called the A3, A4 and so on to the AN term. AN term is the infinity term. So in this you are able to see that A1 which is called the first term, and you are able to see that a common number which is added to get the next number is the 2, here the 2 and again the 2. So this is 2, it's called the common difference here. The 2 is called the common difference which is denoted by the symbol D. So this is the common difference and the last term is nth term. So I am going to describe the formula of finding the nth term. So this is the common difference, and what is the formula to find the common difference? In this case you are able to see that 2 is the common difference because it is very easy question, but in the hard question you may fall or not able to find the common difference. So we have a very basic formula. The common difference means the A2 minus A1. So let's suppose the term we have the A2 is the 4 minus A1 we have the 2. So common difference become here the 2. I think you understand the meaning of common difference and the first term. And then I am going to write the formula of the nth term and then finding the values. So in this we have the formula of nth term as the nth is equal to a plus n minus 1 D. So this is the basic formula which you need to solve the arithmetic progression. So let's suppose if I ask, this one is the an term, 2 term, 3rd term, 4th term, and if I ask you to find the what will the a20 term, so you will use this formula. You will put here the anth is equal to 20, anth is equal to 20, and here a is equal to 2 as you able to get in the question, and the nth means the 20 term means 20 minus 1 according to the formula, and the common difference as you get here the 2. So the a20 term will be the 2 plus 19 into 2, that means 40. So the 40 will be answer. So the a20, the position of a20 will be a 40. So this is what you have to use the AP to find the nth term. So let's talk some interesting question over this concept. This is some basic question I bring for you. So one is, this is the AP, and this will continue up to the infinity. So the first term, that means a is the root 2. But what is the common difference in this? So the common difference can be get from the subtracting the a2 minus a1 as I dragged you the formula. So here a2 we have the 18, root 18, and the a1 we have the root 2. Someone used to subtract like it is the root 16, but wrong. It is not a root 16 because you cannot subtract directly from the root. So you have to find what will be this. So this will be a 18 could be written as the 9 into 2, and 9 is become the outside the root, then it become the 3 root 2 and the root 2. So here you get the 3 root 2 minus 1 root 2 will be the 2 root 2. So the 2 root 2 will be a common difference here, 2 root 2, and next to it you could find because you get the common difference. So in the question we have given that 18th term. So according to the formula, a18th is equal to a plus 18th minus 1 into d. So a18th is equal to a, the first term will be the 2, and here become the 17 into the common difference will be the 2 root 2. So the root 2 plus 74 root 2, and this become the 75 root 2. So this will be an answer of this question. I think you understand how to solve the AP and solve the another question, which is, so this is something a very interesting question in which we have the first term is the minus 40, then second term is minus 15, then the 10th, then the 35. So in this you are able to see that first term is the minus 40, and what will be the common difference? So the common difference we have the formula a2 minus a1. So in this case a2 we have the minus 15, and this is the minus of the formula, and use a1. Someone used to make the minus and remove this minus, and here we have the a2, and this become the a14 plus minus into minus become the plus 40. So it become the 25. So we have the D as the common difference is the 25 in this question, and if we get the A and D, then you could find the any value. So in this question given the 15th of A15, so we have the formula A is equal to minus 40 plus the n minus 1. So n minus 1, so n we have the 15, so it becomes the 15, and D we have the 25. So minus 40 plus here become the 14 into the 25. So the 25 into 14 becomes the 250 multiplying this and 100. So it becomes the 350. So the minus 40 plus 350 become the 310. So A15th become the 310 will be answer. And this is something a very interesting question, and another type of question, which is the which term of the AP. Understand the question as I teach you already. The is means the equal to sign in the mathematics. So the which term of the AP? Which term of the AP is the 81? So asking here the nth is equal to 81 when? So as we know that nth become the 88. Nth become the 88 when the question is asking which term. So you have to find the value of n. So for the, as you know that formula of anth could be written as the a plus n minus 1 into d is equal equal to 88. So A is equal to, in this AP will be a 3, and the common difference becomes a 5, as you could I think get it. And we haven't know the value of the n, and common difference become the 5, and it become the 5 and 88 here. So how to solve this? You could say that n minus 1, 5 multiply by the 5, and this is in the plus, can get this side into the minus. So 88 minus 3, so it becomes the 5 into n minus 1, become the 85 here. So the 5 can be cancel out in the 5 1 and 3 6 in the 16 time. In sorry, it is in the 1 and 3 5, that means in the 17th time. So we get the n minus 1 as the 17. So if n is equal to become the 18, because it will go this side and n become the 18. So this is the answer. I think you understand what is the meaning of the AP and how to solve the AP, and this is very easy and interesting topic. And thank you for today.